Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you're like us, you watch YouTube all the time and see all this cool stuff that you gotta have, and you're like, okay, and you buy it, and then you get it, and either it's just not what it's supposed to be.
Somebody ordered DPS.
Either it's just not what it was supposed to be, or it doesn't work for your particular situation, or you set it up and you use it once. And that's what we did with a lot of different things. So what we're going to do, instead of selling our stuff on eBay and all this, and every time we find something cool that we don't use a lot because we want to scale down.
Or it doesn't work in our current situation?
We're going to give it away. So that you can use it in your situation, hopefully if it works. If it doesn't, then you can re-gift it to somebody else. But we have, tell them, B.
The first one?
Yes.
The MoonShade.
Brand new MoonShade. We bought
Never
this.
used.
Never used. We bought it. I bought it for Bianca for Mother's Day.
Yes.
A year ago. And unfortunately, Bianca has the, what's the name of it?
The One Touch.
The One Touch roof.
Sky One Touch.
The Sky One Touch roof is fabric. It's not metal. So the suction cups won't suction to it.
Right.
You can't magnetize to it because it's fabric. So there's no way to attach the daggone moonroof in her particular situation, and I don't need it because I've got the 360-degree ghost awning. So we have a brand new.
We attempted to use it once, which was just in the front of the house when I first got here. Put it back in the bag, and it's been sitting in a tote.
Yep.
We thought about using it for Karis's Jeep because she has a Sport.
Hers is too
But
small.
unfortunately, it needs to be a four-door.
Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Brand new, $300-$400 value easily. I forget what they are selling right now, but we're giving it away when we hit 2,000 subscribers.
Right.
So you have a 1 in 2,000 chance. Like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below what's your favorite video.
Yeah. And maybe we'll have a follow-up prize for you.
And yep. But out of our 2,000 subscribers, when we get there, we're going to give away the MoonShade. Good deal. Thanks.